of my Superman lifestyle. This is what I have every day, but my super breakfast. I always have raspberries, bananas, apples, strawberries, blueberries, a bit of cacao, magic mushroom. It's not the classic mushrooms. Anti-stress superfood mix. Cacao, changa, ashwagandha, reishi. I don't know pronounce these. Lucumers and cinnamon. And I have tongue of cinnamon as well. I go for about I don't know, 2 or 3 days a week. If you see in my tea, I put tongues. And people say, "Oh, do you want a bit of tea or a bit of porridge with your cinnamon?" Because I basically cover it so you can't see anything else. It's just this orange field, orange thick layer. I think that's it, everything. Oh, and then what else do I have? Oh, and then sprinkled on top is my mixed seeds. That goes in there as well. And that's the neighbour's 4 seed mix. I think sunflower seeds, or nuts and seeds. I don't know what's on the back. Pumpkin seed, organic sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and sesame seeds. And some ramsgate actually as well, it's interesting. It's now, just up the road. Kit Kat just had food and threw it up again straight away. Crazy cat, that's the last one too. So, and I haven't got time to go and get you more today because today I'm on flat out because today that's why I'm happy every day to get me energy going. I got up early today. I know it's like 10:20 now, but that's early for me. Normally I'm still in bed, like because I'm awake all night. But I'm forced to get up in the morning and work all day. And that's I get my sleep pattern sorted out. I should have done it ages ago. I just get stuck in a loop and like I've lost so much time because of that. I could have got so much more done. Oh well, but then maybe it wasn't right because in February, in the winter, I used to hibernate. It's ebb and flow, like my energy gets low in February. And the adrenals, it's harder to push through that. You have to just like that's why I burn out. That's why your body gets ill because people falls through the cycles of up and down, ebb and flow, and you just got to yield and go with the cycle. That's what I learned hard way. You can't fight it and push through because it just makes you ill, like I did before. So now it's March, the energy's picking up in spring, so that's why. So no coincidence that I'm now like getting back up to full speed again. Yeah, and I got my demo today at 4 PM, so I'm trying to get as much done as I can. That's why I got up. I got all the stuff I wanted to do. Tried to finish up provider manager. Well, it's all done provider manager. I want to show it so the replication manager. I mean, so it shards and replicates the data across the providers. Right now, it can save to any given provider, which is configured, which is Mongo, SQL, Ethereum, EOSIO, Holochain would be. It used to work on Redux, but not the new one because it doesn't work on Windows yet. So when they fix that, then I can do Holochain as well. And I'm just adding Neo and IPFS as well at the minute. So I've got a lot to do today. I want to get Neo and IPFS working hopefully, and get it so when you save your avatar or data object, it replicates that whole on or avatar across all the providers in the background automatically for you. And then actually adding the code that it will load from the fastest. It will like be pinging in the background within the network, so it'll load it from the fastest node in your area. So basically, power unity consciousness. That's where I'm going towards. Getting there. I'm actually getting closer and closer. I can have all that working like well, maybe within a couple of weeks, few weeks. But this is the last I'm doing on OASIS API today because it's pushing me to Star Decay. Because OASIS API is for like plugging into existing apps and websites. With Star is to build a whole apps from scratch, like, and it will eventually get ready to import existing workloads too. It's way more powerful. It's built on top of the OASIS API, but it sort of comes after the OASIS API. It's the heart of the OASIS. It's a code generator, basically, a templating engine, the core of it. And, very powerful. It generates holochain apps from template, DNA template. C# DNA template generates dynamic C# and Rust code. The C# code runs on top of the Rust code. Rust is data access layer, and the C# is the business logic layer. This is like giving you an update while I'm cooking. And I listened to a bit look at John Bass give me energy earlier. Dancing around, keep me going. Hope this is nice. It's not as good milk as I normally use. This is cheaper as the one. Normally I use Asbro, whatever it's called. Sometimes it's just worth paying a bit more. It's a false economy. I know here this is like a mixture between the cooking lesson and the OASIS update. So it's nice to see like the work I like to do like this. It's more real and realistic, the day-to-day operations. This is the next gen studio where the magic happens. This is where a lot of the OASIS was built, and this is where Star was born. This is going to go down in history books. This is where James Halliday quoted Star, and where he first did the release on OASIS API into the world. Did the first hack-along demo today. You know, I did the first demo last October. Well, last October it was ready. I finished it, and now yeah. Oh,